Ajá. Amaru. Make it fire. Yeah. Me no understand why you not here with me. Let me take it over for you, girl. You've been out searching the wrong place. On your mind, only place that I wanna be. You define what true beauty is all the way. So divine, God must took a long time to make you. Yeah, I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, hey. Mind your words when you talking about my baby. I'm out of words every time that she whining for me. For me, eyes only, body in motion, but her eyes on me. Her ex-boyfriend sent the guys on me. Turn around when they saw the 9 on me. Hey. I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh. Searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place. Girl, you've been searching, yeah. You've been searching in the wrong place, yeah. I know that you've been here before. It's different this time. You have me on your side. Follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, c'est la vie, no movie. I go show you the way. Oh, follow me, follow me. I go show you the way. Oh, I'ma be right here, girl, right next to you. Surfing in the wrong way. You been surfing. You've been searching, yeah. Searching in the wrong place. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that first, just clips of everything of what happened in Southern California. We just enjoyed to the beach. Just a relaxing time. I wanted to take Lexi to Southern California to show her around a little bit. I just remember Southern California being not so, I feel like it's been cleaner a little bit more. I don't know, maybe it's just been a while. But of course I hyped it up and she's feeling like, oh, this is it. So she loved, don't get me wrong, she loved like that beach area, loved there. So we spent most of our time there. I just driving out, we decided to go through Rodeo Drive and went Beverly Hills and Hollywood, hit those areas before we got back on I-5. And I'll tell you something, it's been a while. I didn't know I-5 is like an Autobahn. What I mean is, when I first got on I-5, speed limit was 70. All right, get in there, set my cruise control, 80. Capture to a semi, he gets over, cancel the cruise, he moves over out the way. All right, fine, hit resume. I look in my mirror, there's cars coming up, and they are on my bumper. So I'm like, all right, maybe this guy's in a hurry, maybe move over, let him pass. Get back over, pass another car in the left lane. Before you know it, another car flies up on me, on my bumper, a minivan. All right, okay, all right, hold on. I'm gonna get me, got your way. I'm speeding up 85, trying to get out of the way. He's pushing me out the way, and I get in the right lane, let him go, take off. I was like, I feel like I'm going slower. I'm getting passed by everybody. And the more that I traveled down I-5, it felt like people were driving faster and faster to the point where I was like, I felt like a slow person. So I was like, all right, let me bump the cruise up to 85. Let me see what it's like going 85. So I went 85. 85 felt like blending in with the flow of traffic. And I'm surprised that there wasn't as much enforcement out there. Maybe they're not. Maybe they are enforcing it. It's just I just caught them at that day was decent for a CHP. If I was CHP, I knew I'd be having a field day out there. So far, so much. I was trying to save fuel, thinking that I'm pinching fuel down there, and I didn't just getting sucked into the hype of driving fast and just want to get there. Especially when you're seeing the time added up as we somehow made it through LA in rush hour traffic at 5 o'clock. I mean, literally 5 o'clock. It took us 2 hours to get to our hotel to get through LA. It absolutely sucked. It made me miss my F15 because I had the adaptive cruise control on that one, and just to have the adaptive when you're in stop and go traffic like that, it makes the experience in traffic much better when the car is doing the braking and accelerating for you. I did see a few XFMs up there. I did see a couple of F85s. I saw one like mine. It was pretty actually identical. Had the black gills, had the black, I think it had black grill. Pulled up next to my stoplight, didn't even notice me. I'm sitting here looking at him like, hey buddy, didn't notice me. All right, I'll make sure you hear me when we pull up on that light. So I pulled off pretty moderate, just so he can hear the exhaust, and I think it caught attention, and he fly back up to me again and give me a thumbs up, wave at each other, and that was it.
It's nice down here. Oh my gosh, I don't know what his deal with these pocket knives are. The other day he came home, he's like, look at this one I got. I was like, oh, you better take that to my dad. He's got a couple now. So, nice.
I saw a couple other ones. We want to go in the opposite direction. But I saw a couple F95s out there too. I start to like the new style more. Don't get me wrong, I love this style, but the new ones are really growing on me. So we'll see. I don't know. I mean, I got the Type R here. I don't think I can't afford anything else. So this is it for me. But we'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching. Just want to talk a little bit about it, the trip. I mean, the beach. I mean, we just hang out, laid out the beach. It was nice, and I think the key is getting there early. We got there pretty early, about 9 o'clock. Got our spot, and then got our tent set up later on. And by that point, the parking lot filled up. But even when the beach felt like it was full, it didn't feel full. Like there's people there. It felt nice. Overall on the trip, I think I got around 18 miles per gallon. We brought Oliver with us. He did okay. Shook a little bit. We did give him some medicine to help relax him, but I think he just stresses out the cars a lot, or it could be my driving. I think someone says the way you drive could scare the dog, so I don't know. Yeah, I think I drive okay. All right, everyone, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.